This is the AI News Flash for April 5th, 6 p.m. UTC. First up, Goldman Sachs is forecasting a 49% surge in global semiconductor revenues by the end of 2026, driven by AI demand. AI-related hardware revenues are projected to reach over $700 billion by the fourth quarter of 2026. AI-related investment in the U.S. now stands at $325 billion above its 2022 level, representing 1.1% of GDP, reflecting sustained spending on compute infrastructure and semiconductor supply chains. The semiconductor sector is positioned as the primary beneficiary of accelerating AI deployment across global industries. Next, Microsoft is making a major strategic shift with Copilot, moving away from exclusive reliance on OpenAI models to a multi-model approach. The new console feature lets users compare ChatGPT and Anthropic's Claude responses side by side. Meanwhile, the critique feature generates ChatGPT responses and then fact-checks them using Claude. This effectively repositions Copilot as an interface layer on top of AI models, allowing Microsoft to play the field rather than betting on a single provider. For enterprise users, wider model choice means greater flexibility and potentially better outcomes across different use cases. Third, Bloomberg's Weekend Edition takes a deep look at vibe coding, the AI trend that's fueling a new wave of FOMO across industries. Coined by former OpenAI researcher Andrej Karpathy, vibe coding describes building software by simply chatting with AI models in natural language. The trend has spread well beyond software engineers, with people in creative industries, marketing and advertising rapidly building tools to streamline their work. However, Bloomberg warns that these AI productivity tools risk pushing workers into longer hours and burnout. The vibes, it turns out, may not be as chill as advertised. And finally, Crunchbase reports that venture funding for foundational AI startups in Q1 2026 has already doubled the total for all of 2025. 4 mega rounds dominated the quarter: OpenAI at $122 billion, Anthropic at $30 billion, xAI at $20 billion, and Waymo at $16 billion, together accounting for 65% of all global venture investment. For context, total foundational AI funding in 2023 was just $23.2 billion, a fraction of OpenAI's latest round alone. While the numbers are staggering, the extreme concentration of capital in a handful of companies is raising concerns about a K-shaped divergence in the startup ecosystem. That's all for this AI News Flash.